Important terms used in depreciation. There are also some other terms used in connection with depreciation. Depletion. Depletion means a reduction in the availability of the natural resources like petrol, timber, etc. The difference between depletion and depreciation is that depletion is the reduction of natural resources, whereas depreciation is the reduction in the value of the assets due to usage. Amortization. Amortization means allocating the cost of an intangible asset over a period of time. It is a routine decrease in the value of an intangible asset. Assets like patents, copyright, trademarks, franchises, etc. Causes of depreciation. There are various reasons due to which we charge depreciation. Wear and tear due to usage or time. Wear and tear means when fixed assets of the business are used in the business to earn revenue, and with the use the value of the assets reduced and the assets cannot be used further for operation. Another situation is when the assets with the time start deteriorating because of rains, weather, etc. Expiration of legal rights. Many assets lose their value because of the expiry of their rights of use, like patents, copyright, etc. Obsolescence. Sometimes the asset becomes out of date because of the availability of better quality of the assets in the market. Reasons could be a change in technology, change in demand, improved methods of production, etc. Other factors. At times, assets become less useful due to natural calamities like fire, earthquake, flood, etc.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.